what really happened on the night of Mob set fire to Radio Pakistan in Peshawar, and who was truly behind it. That is the core question now driving a high-stakes political investigation as the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Assembly formally launches a probe into one of the most destructive acts of the 2023 political crisis. The newly notified 15-member special committee represent the provincial legislature concerted attempt to uncover the truth behind the violent attack on May 9 and 10, 2023. The assault occurred amid a nationwide protest following the arrest of former Prime Minister Imran Khan, leaving a trail of devastation. Broadcast equipment and priceless historical recordings were destroyed. Three vehicles were torched and a staff member suffered severe burns. More than a year later, the Assembly is shifting from a condemnation to official inquiry, invoking its parliamentary authority under the Rule 237 to dissect an event that struck at the heart of public media and state property. But why from this committee now, and what does it hope to prove? The committee's broad terms of reference reveal ambitions that go beyond mere fact-finding. It is tasked not only with determining the actual incident but also with reviewing its causes, evaluating the response or failure of law enforcement agencies, and critically investigating whether the violence was the result of an organized conspiracy. The last point places the probe squarely within the heated political narrative that has surrounded the May 9 riots, a narrative heavily contested between the then government and the military and Imran Khan's PTI. The committee's eventual conclusion could either reinforce or challenge the official stance that the unrest was a coordinated plot against the state. Perhaps most telling is the political composition of the committee itself. It comprises 9 lawmakers from the treasury benches, currently the ruling coalition in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and 6 from the opposition, including representative from JUIF, Pakistan People's Party, PTIP, ANP, and Pakistan Muslim League Noon. This cross-party structure, agreed upon unanimously by the Assembly in December, suggests a rare moment of consensus on the need for an inquiry. However, the committee will be chaired by Law Minister Aftab Alam Afridi from the Treasury, ensuring the ruling coalition will steer the investigation. The dynamic between Treasury and opposition members will likely determine whether the final report is seen as a bipartisan document or a politically weaponized one. Ultimately, this committee is more than a procedural exercise. It is a litmus test for accountability and political reconciliation in a deeply polarized climate, as it gathers evidence and evaluates the role of individuals and institutions. Its finding will either fuel further political strife or provide a pathway toward clarity and closure. The nation will be watching to see whether this parliamentary probe can deliver answers where other investigations may have failed, or if it will become another chapter in the long contentious story of May 9.